ulat ka jala ka Meghalaya utata gataroi ha ka sithot ding lo ong bak Sorkar jala ka angnut berkentia yo kom ti Dewiong ka balong kat kum ka jing start Saian khnang bakan long ka basangan bat ka bandum kta ya ka mariang ha ka jala ha ka jikran jugu ha ka sining kong ka dorbar mangtengka ka ying dobal thawain ka jala ulat ulo ong bak ka jing persang ka Sorkar jala banwengi ka jing ye kendu jing e ha ka bai de bak ka kam ti Dewiong ki bala proid dak ha ka rai bishar ka Supreme Court ha ka bala bat bat ki trai jaka simen kumju ki kenhun trai jaka ki badon ka hok halo ka khando bat hapo ru kumju ong baka district mineral foundation ladap banthaw ki pratli ki district man punduna ek jingkta ya ka kamti Dewiong.
The government is committed to promote scientific, secure and environmental friendly coal mining in the state, complying with all statutory central legislations pertaining to environmental protection and safety of mine workers. Efforts by the government to resolve coal mining issues culminating in the landmark judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, in which it was held that private owners of land as well as community owners have both surface right as well as subsoil rights. The Honorable Court permitted coal mining in the state as per provisions of the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957 and Mineral Concession Rules 1960, with approved mining plan and also strict compliance of Mines Act 1952 and Coal Mines Regulation 2017. The government, in addition to consultation with the various stakeholders and experts to secure environment-friendly coal mining, has also conducted sensitization programs in West Gentia Hills to educate the mine owners about procedures to be followed in starting coal mining under the provisions of the MMDR Act 1957 and the Mineral Concession Act 1960. The government is committed to restore the environment damaged by coal mining in the state. The state has been collecting 10% of the value of the coal from the coal transported under the order of the Honorable Supreme Court and NGT and deposited towards the Meghalaya Environment Protection and Restoration Fund. An action plan has been prepared for restoration of environment damaged by coal mining, and pilot projects have already been commenced. State government has also notified guidelines for utilization of MEPRF fund. The District Mineral Foundation have been notified in 8 districts to minimize or mitigate adverse effects of mining on environment, health, and for implementing various development and welfare programs in mining affected areas. Under commerce and industry, the Meghalaya startup